What's up, guys? I'm back. I'll be doing some work on this 2001 Dodge Durango. This one happens to be my daily, and I noticed the mileage is going a little bit downhill, and the the power's just not there anymore. So what I got is here is some NGKs. These are recommended for this vehicle, and never been, remember back in my day it was Autolite. So we're gonna check and see how these guys work out. It's cooled off enough, so let's get into it. Believe it or not, I had to use this on that. If you don't know what this is, it's just I don't know what you want to call it. But, well, got the plugs in. She fires up. She sounds great. I'm going to take you to the other side and take a look at them plugs. Them plugs are not happy. They are sad. Sad, sad, sad. Well, brought you over here to take a look at the spark plug. So how about you look down here, not up here. These guys are ugly. Sad, sad, sad. This one, the gaps are just humongous. I bet you anything I can probably put this washer, tackle two washers, in between them. So look, look at that. How thick that washer is, and I bet you I can stick it right there. Look at that, right up in there. Right up in there. Yeah, right up in there. That's more than 50 thousandths right there, guaranteed. Guaranteed. Yep, that one's it. Man, oh, this one easy. That's crazy. All right, well, that's all I got for today. I'm gonna clean up and get the hell out of here.